run apps or services on Red Hat Enterprise Linux and face tricky issues that are hard to pin down. This is the place for real solutions. I'm Prince. I have spent over 15 years building and managing enterprise infrastructure, container orchestration, security, and automation, mostly on Red Hat Enterprise technology stack. Here, I share proven fixes to real problems from actual production environments. No fluff, no theory, just actionable steps that work. Today's topic: resolving recurring RPM database corruption on RHEL 7.8. Root cause: RPM database corruption occurs when processes like RPM, YUM, or DNF terminate abruptly, leaving stale log files. This typically stems from automation tools timing out, manual process termination, for example, SIG kill, or system crashes. The log files prevent concurrent access to the Berkeley DB backend, causing subsequent RPM operations to fail with errors such as thread died in Berkeley DB library, fatal error, run database recovery, cannot open packages index using DB5, cannot open packages database. Resolution options: choose your fix, immediate recovery or diagnostic monitoring. Option 1. Temporary recovery. Clear log files. Step 1. Stop active processes. Step 2. Remove stale log files. Step 3. Rebuild the RPM database, if corruption persists. Option 2. Additional diagnostic. Install rpm-deathwatch to capture the source of abrupt terminations. 1. Add the repository. 2. Remove stale log files. 3. Rebuild the RPM database, if corruption persists. Step 4 is optional. Configure early startup to capture boot time issues. Commands to fix the issue: check processes holding RPM locks, remove stale log files, verify RPM database integrity, install rpm-deathwatch for diagnostics, check rpm-deathwatch status, review logs for SIG kill events. Here is a troubleshooting checklist which contains critical steps to resolve and prevent corruption. Step 1. Kill stale processes. Step 2. Verify lock removal. Step 3. Rebuild RPMDB if errors persist. Step 4. Validate rpm-deathwatch operation. Step 5. Review logs post-event. In summary, RPM database corruption is caused by abrupt process termination. For example, SIG kill signals leaving stale log files. This disrupts RPM operations and triggers errors like thread died in Berkeley DB library. Immediate recovery: clear stale locks and restart affected processes. Diagnostic tool: deploy rpm-deathwatch to log the source of SIG kill signals, for example, rogue automation tools or manual process kills. This identifies who or what sent the signal but does not prevent recurrence. A long-term fix would be to address the root cause revealed by rpm-deathwatch, for example, modify automation scripts to avoid abrupt termination, update faulty tools, or enforce clean process exits. Always ensure processes interacting with RPM complete gracefully to avoid recurring corruption. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like and share it with your team. If you work with Enterprise Linux, consider subscribing for more real-world solutions.